The number of students reported to Tusla for poor school attendance has significantly increased, with more than 9,000 referrals made in the last academic year. Amy Malloy reports that in the wake of the Kyran Durnin case, a Children Missing in Education team was established in July to help locate children who are missing from school. This will include checks and collaboration across government departments and agencies. Kyran Durnin from Drogheda in County Louth was reported missing in August 2024. He had not been in school since May 2022. It is understood that around that time, his school was told that he would not be returning after the summer holidays, as he was going to live in Northern Ireland. However, no record of him enrolling in another school was found. The last confirmed sighting of the young boy, who is now presumed dead, was in June 2022 when he was 6 years old. Gardaí believe he was killed around this time and that his remains were disposed of to conceal what had happened. Tusla, the Irish state agency responsible for child welfare and protection, previously said it received no referrals or concern about Kyran Durnin's attendance or educational welfare between 2022 and 2024. Now, data provided to the Irish Independent has shown how schools' education welfare officers screened an increased number of referrals in the last academic year. Between September 2024 and August 2025, 9,293 referrals relating to a child's school attendance were made to the Tusla Education Support Services. This was an increase of 1,251 on the previous year, when 8,042 referrals were made. There has also been a rise in court summonses issued to parents over their children's attendance. In the first 10 months of the 2024-2025 school calendar, 132 summonses were issued in respect of 96 children, an 8% increase on the previous academic year.